Healthy habits. Staying healthy, as you all know, is very important for everybody. So, in order to help you to stay healthy, I wanna give you some hot tips. Number one, you should always sleep well. Doctors recommend to sleep 8 hours every night. Number two, you should have a good breakfast every day. This will give you energy for everything. You cannot consume junk food. Number three, you should not keep sitting all day. Walk at least 30 minutes a day. Number five, you can have fun with friends, go out in the evening. You can now stay hot all day every day. Number six, you can pay attention to the advice of the elders. They have